So just looking at the central focus, I started with the standards, and some of you may have been confused as to why I did that. I think it's important to look at the learning standards so that you can kind of look at what your focus should be. If you want to start with a focus and narrow down the standards, that's just not how I do it, but it's fine if you say, okay, I'm going to do retelling, and then you find your standards to match that central focus. I like to look at the standards and then match my topics to that. I think it's just because my brain works so differently here. So I looked at my standards. So I'm going to assess later in this lesson plan how aspects of the text illustrations contribute to what's conveyed by the words, describe the expressed feelings and perspective to others, and establish a situation and introduce characters and organize an event. So I'm an event sequence that unfolds naturally. So my central focus for this lesson is going to be sequencing. Okay, so I would look at the verbs, so explain, describe, establish, and I would look for things that can, or a topic, because you want your topic to be as broad as possible.